Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable USB debugging on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. The first thing that we need to do is enable developer options, so we need to head to settings, then in the settings you want to scroll down to go about phone. Now scroll down once again, and then you need to tap several times on build number until you open the developer option. So let's keep tapping. You need to do that, I think, 7 times. There we go. Now we might need to enter the pin code. And after that, we should see the information that you are now a developer. Now let's go back, go to system, and then here we have developer options. And now over here, we need to find the USB debugging, which should be over here. We have USB debugging. In order to turn it on, we need to simply tap on this slider, and then we will see the information. And we need to confirm if we want to enable USB debugging. So let's tap OK. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.